Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel YT SEO Specialist. One of the most common questions I get is, do YouTube tags still matter in 2025? This answer is yes, but not as much as before. Tags won't skyrocket your video on the top, but if you use them properly, then they can help YouTube understand your content and protect your ranking for the wrong search items. Today I will show you exactly how to tag research in just 5 minutes. Let's jump into it. YouTube tags are simply keywords you add in the video's tag section. They don't directly boost ranking anymore, but they help your YouTube identify your video's topics. Connect your video with related videos. This is spelling variations of your main keywords. So yes, tags are like an extra signal, not the main factor, but still worth using correctly. Tools for tag research. Now how do we find the right tags? Here are some tools I can recommend. TubeBuddy. Show competitor tags and keyword strings. VidIQ helps with related keyword suggestions. RapidTags.io free generator for quick tags. YouTube search bar. Type your keyword and note down related suggestions. Pro tip. Don't copy all competitor tags blindly. Mix your main keyword, long tail versions and validations. Let's go step by step with an example. Suppose your video is about YouTube SEO tips. Step 1. Find your main keyword. Your code tag should be YouTube SEO tips. Step 2. Add variations like YouTube SEO 2025, YouTube SEO for beginners, YouTube ranking tips. Step 3. Add long tail phrases. For example, how to rank YouTube videos first, YouTube SEO step by step. Step 4. Add common spellings. If people often type YouTube SEO or YouTube SEO tips, include them. Step 5. Add niche related supporting tags like grow YouTube channel, your YouTube algorithm, video optimization. Ideal number of tags 10 to 15 highly relevant ones. Here are some golden rules for tags. Number 1. Focus on relevance. Every tag must connect to a video and they must be relevant. Use mix of shorts and long tail tags. Don't repeat the same keyword over and over. It looks spammy. Use your channel name as a tag. Helps your video appear together in suggested videos. Remember, tag supports your SEO, but your title, description and thumbnails are still way more important. So to recap, number 1, tags are not the number 1 ranking factor, but they still help your YouTube understand your video. Number 2, use tools like TubeBuddy, VidIQ and rapid tags for research. Number 3, keep your tags relevant, varied and natural. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and comment below. Do you still use tag in your video? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.